Do you wonder how to prepare amala? Here we have Agovita sorghum blend, which is a version of yam flour or cassava flour, and it's prepared the same way as yam flour amala or cassava flour amala. Can you see what is happening here? Follow me, let's go and see how to prepare this modern day amala. Let's follow.
We put water on fire. Put water on fire first, then allow it to boil.
So we bring the required quantity of water to boil, and then it's ready to be added. It's now ready for powder to be added. Let us follow as powder has been added and stir. So you begin to add the powder and stir continuously. You do likewise for amala, yam flour or cassava flour amala, especially yam flour. Let it be on fire. We have medium heat under it. Add the flour. Continue to stir vigorously to avoid any lumps. Continue to stir. As you are stirring, you continue to pay attention to the texture. If it's not yet as sticky as you prefer, then you continue to add the powder while it is still on fire, and you add little water in case it is too sticky. It will hard for you. Add a little quantity of water, hot water, preferably. But if not, you add more powder. You stir very well until you obtain the required paste of amala texture that you preferred. That is what we have here. We leave it on fire for some time. Allow the medium heat to heat it up so that it can get cooked enough. You can see the powder is still being added because the texture is not yet what is needed. You add more powder to make it to become harder, more solid than before, until you obtain what you prefer. Continue to stir, allow it to stay on fire, medium heat under it. You can see the texture now that this is looking very good. The texture is now very soft and not too hard. If it is too hard, you add water to soften it, preferably hot water. Hot water is not available. Add water at room temperature and allow the water to boil until it's fire. You stir it very well to mix the water into the paste. When you do that for like 5 minutes while it's on fire, then it's ready to be served. See the texture? It is the texture of amala. This is actually the sorghum agovita blend. It's actually a form of amala, a form of cassava with sorghum blended together and prepared the same way as yam flour or cassava flour is prepared. You can see now it is being served with special scooping plastic backup. Now being served into the plates. Nice one. You can see that. Very good texture. Very good texture. And it's very hot. And mark you, amala is best eaten while it is hot, not too hot. Allow it to cool down a little bit and then serve it with your favorite soup, stew and meat. Prefer raw soup or egusi soup, whichever one you prefer. Then you can serve it right inside the amala or another small plate, small bowl side it. That's what we have here. You can see it has been mixed very well. See that now. See that. Now we have a egusi soup. It's going to be used to take care of this amala this afternoon. So we have delicious egusi soup prepared. You can see them side by side. Do not forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that I can get informed when I bring another interesting videos like this. So here we prefer egusi soup to go with this amala. If draw soup such as ogbono, ewedu, okra is what you prefer, go ahead and prepare it alongside with it. Learn how to prepare Nigerian best egusi soup or sliming ewedu soup. I left behind a link to each of those videos for you so that you can watch it on my channel. And don't forget to share this video wide to others so that they can also learn how to prepare amala as you did. Want to see you in our next video. That time, bye bye.